If you're a Tesla investor, you may have less than 18 months to accumulate stock before the price skyrocket. Listen to this insightful interview with Gary Black, because it gets people's attention, and I think you could sell 1 million of these a year. And my partner, we're talking about my forecast for next year, and you know my volume number is pretty high because I've got both the Cybertruck hitting, and I've got some number of Model 2s hitting later in the year, and that could really, to your point, move the stock, because you're going to have volume growth probably in excess of the kind of 35% number that people are gravitating to this year. Exactly. If you've got Model Y and Model 3 priced appropriately, at least competitively, you could have a really super year next year. Something interesting happened during Tesla's Q1 earnings call this year, and this update has got investors and Tesla fans looking for what could possibly turn out to be the next big thing for Tesla. Tesla CEO Elon Musk made this update during the earnings call, claiming that these anticipated projects for Tesla may be coming sooner than expected, and investors definitely do not want to miss out on this. What's this next big thing that investors can't stop talking about? Let's find out. Hey guys, welcome back to Tesla Tomorrow. Tesla recently disclosed that its long-awaited pickup truck is slated to begin production later this summer, although Elon Musk clarified during Tesla's call that volume production would only really happen in 2024. The Cybertruck's upcoming production was highlighted strongly by Tesla in its Q1 2023 update letter, and the company posted several images of this vehicle's production line in its Gigafactory in Texas. Elon Musk also confirmed during the first quarter earnings call that the long-delayed Cybertruck will have a dedicated delivery event in the third quarter. The production of the Cybertruck has been delayed for quite some time. However, according to Musk, this is not without reason. Musk disclosed that it takes time to get the Cybertron manufacturing line going, and this is really a very radical product. He also added that the Cybertruck is not made in the same way that other cars are made. How interesting can the Cybertruck actually be? Keep watching to find out. But before we start, if you like this type of content, hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications to keep up to date on everything going on with Tesla. There are several reasons why the truck could have been delayed, and one of them may be the company's decision to make the Cybertruck add stainless steel, which costs more than steel, which is typically used in auto manufacturing, and it requires special welding techniques. Issues like this have made the Cybertruck production more complicated than Tesla's other vehicles. Even less crucial parts like windscreen wipers need to be custom-made thanks to the unique design of the Cybertrucks. Tesla bulls like Gary Black and Cathie Wood have been looking forward to the Cybertruck's production and delivery. According to Black, this is Tesla's most important catalyst. He added that Tesla fans have been waiting for years, and there's already around 1.3 million pre-orders. Gary Black stated that it could be a huge catalyst if these trucks can get out by the end of the year and then start early next year. Black noted in a recent interview that Elon Musk got on the earnings call and showed a lot of confidence, disclosing that January orders were about twice what production is. Black also said that Elon Musk could have probably also hinted that maybe Tesla could do 2 million units in 2023. Well, this may be true, but there are a few things to consider here. Although Tesla sales and earnings per share for the first 3 months of 2023 were in line with forecasts, several reports have contained ample evidence of potentially worrisome financial picture, as Tesla reported an 80 year-over-year decline in free cash flow at a 41 year-over-year drop in operating margin. Tesla stock recently slipped 9.8% in its worst day since January 3rd, wiping out $51 billion in its market capitalization, which tops the $47 billion total respective market cap for Ford and General Motors, who are Tesla's biggest American competitors. Bernstein analyst Tony Sacconaggi wrote on a recent note to clients that it was disappointing as a course of a Tesla, and he also moved down his estimate for Tesla's annual earnings by more than 20 and maintained his 150 price target is buying 17 downsides to Tesla's share price at the time. Tony also explained that Tesla, which just cut prices on its vehicles for the 6th time this year, is undermining its profitability and will find it difficult to maintain any price advantage in a hyper-competitive automotive market. Tesla now faces a growing threat from a slew of electric vehicle upstarts and also from legacy automakers like Ford, which became the second largest manufacturer in the United States in 2022 after selling 61,575 units. Although Ford has had its tough times, the carmaker could be about to grow substantially. Some estimates suggest that by the end of 2023, Ford will be producing electric vehicles, planning a major push into Europe, where it expects to build factories in order to produce right-hand drive models for markets like Australia, New Zealand, and the UK. On the other hand, Tesla increased its output by a respectable 40% last year, staying ahead of Western brands like Volkswagen and GM, but falling behind its Chinese rivals such as Geely. Whether these Chinese brands can maintain their triple-digit growth figures is uncertain. But what is clear is that Tesla is facing more competition than ever, and maybe not everyone is as optimistic about its Cybertruck as Gary Black is. Mad Money host Jim Cramer disclosed in an interview that he doesn't really expect many car buyers to get much value from the Cybertruck. He called that truck a toy for Elon Musk fanboys, stating that the vehicle will probably be like a Lamborghini, costing too much and having a battery that's too large. Cramer reiterated his bullishness on Tesla. He was pretty open about his criticism of the Cybertruck's design, noting that it's hideous and the ugliest car he's ever seen. Cramer noted that the Cybertruck will probably not be appealing to the average truck buyer, as people who buy pickup trucks would like to use their vehicles as working units. The Wall Street veteran noted that pickup truck buyers want something that can carry the occasional tree branches and the like, and Cybertruck consumers would probably not want to do that. However, despite Cramer's reservations about the Cybertruck, Tesla has been pretty clear about the idea of the all-electric pickup truck being a vehicle that can be used for legitimate, actual hard work. This is one of the reasons why the vehicles were made and designed with an exoskeleton. There's also several other renovations that make it a robust and durable vehicle. There's no doubt that the EV pickup battlefield will be fierce. However, none of Tesla's competitors have anything close to the Cybertruck in terms of looks, nor can they match Tesla's EV production prowess. At this time, it's also important to note that Tesla's $511 billion market cap remains roughly 10 times that of Ford. Tesla remains the only major producer of electric vehicles that's turning in profit. The company's advanced technology extends to its manufacturing process, which is the most efficient in the industry, even drawing praise from its rivals in the past. Also, since competition was scarce for such a long time, Tesla had pricing lower than allowed to make more money from the sale of each car. Besides EVs, Tesla is one of the leading developers in AI, and this will create a series of opportunities for its fully self-driving technology. You can think of every Tesla vehicle sold as a potential customer for the software, which costs an additional $15,000. Tesla software products have typically had a gross margin of up to $80 because they can be developed once and then sold an unlimited number of times, so the majority of that revenue could flow straight into Tesla's bottom line. It is true that Tesla benefits from short-term headwinds while its electric vehicle business navigates a more competitive market. The company's gross margin had a negative impact on its bottom line, results in Q1 with its earnings per share declining by 21% year-over-year. However, Tesla bulls are optimistic about how it's going to turn out, and even Gary Black is putting his money where his mouth is with his own Cybertruck on pre-order. The Fun Future partner stated that he can't wait to drive the truck up to Nohu in Chicago, leave it there, and have all the kids take pictures of it. Are you excited about the Cybertruck launch? Let us know down below, and if you want to know more about what Tesla's been up to over the last few days, go ahead and click on this next video on your screen.